Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Courtney and in today's video we're going to be doing vegan nachos. So we are making this for a party, so I just got an aluminum tray because I intend to leave that with them. Tostitos hint of lime. We're going to be using chow slices for the cheese, Beyond Meat for the meat. Black beans, some diced tomatoes, and red chilies. And then for the Beyond Meat, Beyond Beef, I'm gonna add a little smoked paprika, black pepper, garlic, and some salt. So I'm gonna make that up first. So I'm gonna use half of this, and I'm just gonna put it into a bowl and try to crumble it up. Okay, so I'm just gonna season the meat. I'm just putting a little bit of salt, some garlic powder, pepper, a little smoked paprika. This is going to be the first time I'm doing this, so we'll see how it turns out. It's chopping up quite nicely. Smells really good. And that will be our meat. Okay, the first thing you do is you take your Tostitos. Make kind of like one layer. So we're gonna do a couple of layers. I already preheated the oven to 300 and we're gonna, once it's heated up, we'll put it in for 15 minutes. Okay, so like I said before, I'm using chow slices, creamy original. It comes in slices, so I'm gonna just break them up and put them all around. Get out of here. No. Hope that melts because that's going to look really bad. Some black beans. And layer those over the queso. And now I'm going to use the Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies. I don't cut myself. So I just drained it a little bit. Our Beyond Meat. And then we start all over again. Next layer. And now we will put this in the oven for 15 minutes on 300. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Cheese didn't melt as well as I would have liked it to. Whatever. I'm going to put on top a little bit of salsa. Just a little bit because it already has all that other stuff in it. And a couple of dollops of, this is Good Karma plant-based sour cream. I guess that's why they call it dollop. Dollop. And I'll top it with some guac. There it is. Your vegan nachos. Alright, let's try some. I'm sure it's delicious. I don't know if the people that I made it for are going to think the same, but I get a little of everything. The beans. That is delicious. The Beyond Meat is amazing. Well, I hope this video is informative. If you like it, hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you try this recipe and what your thoughts are If you added anything or took anything away, love to hear about it. Thanks. Bye.